I have come to have a feeling for the forest for its own sake. Being out in the rainforest alone, you forget yourself. You become one with this amazing world of the forest. And out in the forest, you learn about the interconnection of all the forms of life, how every little species of animal and plant in the forest has a role to play. And as they become extinct, so we tear holes in the tapestry of life until eventually a whole ecosystem may collapse. When I'm alone in the forest, surrounded by the greens and the browns, it's a whole experience that I can't find in any other place.